Greetings to the citizens of the universe. Sanibonani, bantwana bakamvinqa. Lungile Hleza lokhuluma. Ngiphethe izindaba, silalele akwanto. Know yourself before you know others. Zazi wena before wazabani. A good teacher teaches you to love, not to hate. Love and intimacy are not the same thing. Reality is determined by memory. Without memory, there is no reality. Things that as a person we need to understand about self-development. It's to pay attention to our thoughts as an opportunity portal is opening up for us. Hence, a thought is a willful act, and it is powerful enough for creation. Powerful enough for creation. You are magnetically attracted to a new opportunity that your soul is ready to receive. Let us get our souls ready for receiving all the blessings that Mother Nature is ready to give us. Ten rules for success. Always be a student. Have an entrepreneurial mindset. Learn how to sell. Be a team player. Strive to do better. Seek mentors. Do your research. This one is very important. Do your research. Kwamele siyenze ulwazi, sambe sothola ulwazi. Become a leader. Wempilo yakho. Have a media's touch. Konke okuthintayo turn to igolide. Unga give up. Don't quit. This one is important. Never give up. And it's also important to love ourselves enough so that we can be able to understand the nature of the relationship of the people that are surrounding us. Umvilinqange uyasithanda. Let us stop believing what the politicians are saying to us. They are no better than us. The pain that they have brought upon us is over. Isikhathi semidlwembe sesiphelile manje. Akwande for abantwana bakamvinqa. Akwande for abantwana bakamvinqa. Knowledge of self is having the power of self and all your elements within your godlike. Self-awareness, self-exploration, self-discovery, self-understanding, self-love, self-transformation, self-mastery. All right knowledge points upwards. All right knowledge point upwards. Ngiyabonga madlozi wami amahle for ithuba eninginikeze lona namhlanje. Angisingilutho ngaphandle kwenu. Ngiyabonga amadlozi wami amahle wasemhlabeni for ukuthi ningipheyivile indlela. Ngiyabonga for ukuthi ningihlanganiseni nabantwana benu emhlabeni engizosebenzisana nabo ukuthi sikhone ukubuyisa ilizwe lokhokho. Akwande.